Hey people, so I have to say this, that in every video of mine I always say, I end it with the same line. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe, because I've realized that repetition has a way of something, it registers in your mind. So that's what I think. It's so important to understand these little known facts about psychology, that when you keep repeating the same thing over and over again, somewhere it percolates into the mind. So this is almost a 30-second video, but really no wonder, but I had to make this point. And no wonder small children, like in school, when I was in St. Anne's, in this convent school, we were made to recite the timetable. We were made to recite the answers of questions, and like whatever, when you have to learn it by rote. So with regard to repeating this, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. It percolates into the subconscious mind, my brain and probably your brain also, and then finally you will actually hit on that subscribe button, hopefully. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.